Hello friends and welcome to my channel Auditing Tricks, which is one-stop solution for all your audit related queries. In this video, we are going to cover the topic related to the internal controls around treasury and cash management. Before starting the video, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button. You can share your comments and queries in the comment section and share this video with your friends and family members. Elevate your professional journey with our expertly crafted resources. Take your internal audit processes to the next level with our customizable tools, including internal audit checklist, audit reports, risk registers, and standard operating procedures. Plus, transform your presentations with our sleek and professional PowerPoint templates designed to help you impress your audience and showcase your expertise. Invest in our resources today and discover a smarter way to work. You can email us for the rate list at auditingtricks@gmail.com. Now let's start with the internal controls around treasury and cash management. Let's see what all internal controls you can implement around the treasury and cash management. First one is to implement the controls to manage and monitor your cash inflows and outflows of the company. You should maintain separate responsibilities for initiating, approving, and executing treasury transactions. You should maintain clear communication and strong relationship with the bank's box. We should establish clear authorization and approval processes for treasury transactions, including limit for the approval of various activities. We should implement controls to safeguard the cash in hand and to prevent any kind of misappropriation. We should regularly review and reconcile cash and bank transactions, which will ensure the completeness and accuracy of them. Also, we should investigate and resolve if there are any outstanding unreconciled items. We should establish contingency plan to address any kind of cash shortfalls or any kind of cash flow disruptions. We should establish clear investment policy that should describe what are the acceptable investments as per the company, what is the risk tolerance and performance benchmark as per the company's goals. We should check bank charges and any kind of fees, and we should know that it is fair, reasonable, and it should be properly accounted in the books on a monthly basis. We should maintain accurate cash flow forecast to ensure sufficient liquidity we have and there is a minimum risk of overdrafts and unauthorized borrowings. We should keep cash and bank ledgers updated with all the incoming and outgoing transactions. We should regularly count and verify the cash in hand available at the company. This is to ensure that we have accurate and complete cash in hand. We should regularly reconcile all the bank account statements in order to ensure they are accurate and to identify any kind of discrepancies in advance. We should have a clear SOP and guidelines for handling of the cash, including counting of cash, its storage, transportation of cash, and its insurance. We should monitor list of all the fixed deposits and their maturity tracker to be maintained to optimize the returns. We should establish clear guidelines for opening, closing, and managing various bank accounts. It should also include the approvals required from the authorized personas for the banking activities. We should implement controls to ensure that all the cash receipts and payments are properly recorded, deposited, and reconciled on a timely basis. We should maintain up-to-date list of all the authorized signatories and their respective authorities. We should periodically review these signatories and the access rights they have been provided in the bank account management system. We should maintain segregation of duties for cash recording, handling, physical verification, and its periodic reconciliation. We should monitor the accuracy of all the cash flow forecast and adjust the forecasting methods. We should investigate and resolve the significant variances noted between the forecasted and the actual cash flows. We should establish access controls for electronic banking systems, including the user IDs, passwords, and any kind of dual authorizations given. We should establish preventive and detective controls around any kind of fraudulent activities related to the cash management. And we should review the fraud prevention measures on a regular basis. We should maintain proper documentation for any kind of fixed deposits and interest income earned from those deposits. We should perform cross-functional cash fiscal verification on a surprise basis on a periodic basis. We should establish control to hedge the foreign exchange exposures to mitigate any kind of currency risks. We should develop an investment policy or a SOP in order to monitor the investment transactions, and we should ensure the compliance of the investment approval metrics as well. We should implement a multi-layer or a dual authorization for any kind of large or sensitive payments. We should establish transaction limits for each electronic banking transactions, and we should ensure that all the electronic transactions are properly reviewed and approved as per the DOA metrics. We should establish controls around the communications from bank like any kind of SMS, OTPs, Swift messages, etc. We should monitor interest rate exposures and implement appropriate hedging strategies. We should do assessment of the interest rate charges on cash flows and the financial performances. So congratulations, now you know what all internal controls you need to establish in a company around the treasury and the cash management procedures. If you want to buy any of our resources like audit programs, checklist, audit reports, risk control metrics, or PPT templates, so you can email us on the auditingtricks@gmail.com. Before signing off, do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. You can like the video if you like the content. You can share the link of the video with your friends and colleagues, and you can comment if you like the video, or if you have any queries, so you can also share your comments. I will try to answer those. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye, take care.